This is what we did today. This is a pavement for the factory here. Then protector will now come in here and here. So this place will put tiles. Put tiles here. Understand? Put tiles both the inside and the outside. So they were able to do here today. I will not enter inside here because it's so fresh. So once they are through, we'll now wash, clean it up. So tomorrow they start doing the skirtings. That is the wall. We're putting little, raise it just little to go above the floor to beautify it with a tile. So that is what they will do tomorrow. They will not do here tomorrow because protector will be coming next tomorrow. Once protector comes, they will now do the tiling so that the protector will not damage the tiles. So everything here will soon be concluded. As you can see, wire is already there. So as soon as possible, we'll do the fittings. That's the work we did today. The fittings of this house is completed fully, both inside and outside. We've not put the bulbs to avoid damages. People of bad belly can come and damage it. So that's the update from this site today. Thank you.